Hello everyone and welcome to Little's Lunchtime. Now, if you're a little trying to make it on your own, or you are a caregiver trying to make your baby the happiest snacker in the universe, you're in the right place, because I'm going to show you how I make lunch. Now, technically this is more of a snack than a lunch, but it is 12:30, so technically it counts as lunch. So, first, I'm gonna boil some water. Damn it, I needed a cup. Forgot about the cup. Aside from this cup, I have pretty much everything I need. Now this is loud, but that's okay, because so am I. Okay. Now, I have a peeled apple. It's already peeled, because you probably know how to peel things, and therefore you don't need instructions. What I also have is a cheese knife. Now, usually you're supposed to not clean it because that makes it slice cheese so much easier, so it's going to be hard to slice cheese from now on, but it's worth it because we're going to make apple chips. So, take the apple and you slice it. That is pretty much it. That is how you make apple chips. See? You just do that until you run out of apple. It's a lot of fun, to be honest. But it can also be a little messy, so just, you know, you have to take care of that. Okay, now we're going to be making a lot of other stuff, but like you can see, I'm running out of plate. That's okay, because we're just going to make a mountain. Okay. Now, I've been doing this since I was a kid, and it's actually really good. Now, you could just use the peeler to slice the apple, but you're not going to get, like, the slices would be too thin. Like this, see, it holds up pretty much. But it would be like very, very thin and wouldn't hold apart very well. Now, don't throw this away because you can eat around the core. So, this is still very valuable. There's still food. Don't throw it away. Let's try to make this fit. And yes, we need to clean the thing. Okay, so I also like to eat defrosted frozen strawberries. Don't judge me, this is delicious. Now, strawberries are expensive, but these are less expensive. Now, I've tried to like put them in water and stuff to try to defrost them, but I found that the best way to make them like not frozen but not warm is to fill a glass, frozen strawberries, pour boiling water over it. Like, it sounds very counterproductive, but it will actually, like, the water will get colder and it will make sure that the strawberries are like not frozen, but it won't make them so warm that they will be warm. Okay. And we're also gonna make a cup of soup. So, it's really awesome to take a cup of soup and put it in a sippy. Because, you know, you're supposed to drink a cup of soup, and why not put it in a sippy? Because you drink everything from a sippy. So, this is chicken soup. Like, I usually go with asparagus, but I had asparagus earlier today, so I'm gonna go chicken now. And, because I like to be messy, there we go. I got this at like a second-hand antique store thing. And I just had to have it when I was like, I think I was like 12 or something. There we go. But, you know, because this is really hard to clean if you don't have a dishwasher, that's okay, because we can just rinse it and it'll be fine. Just rinse it and scrub a little. But yeah, if you clean it fast enough, then it shouldn't be a problem. Now, these has some bits and pieces in it that I don't like. Especially, like, this has a nipple. You can't, like, the bits and pieces can't really, like, it's gonna get clogged or something. I don't know. So, because I don't have a sieve small enough for this edge, then I'm just gonna, hey, there's still some soup in the bottom. Water. There we go. Then I'm just gonna rinse the bits and pieces out of this thing, and then I'm gonna pour it back, because I like to complicate things. Yeah, there are no pieces left. Like, see, it's supposed to have like this thing. I think these are chicken pieces, but I really don't want to eat something that's essentially dried chicken. Like, food is, like, meat is not supposed to last this long. I don't trust it. But this means that we can just pour it back. Yeah. And, you know, it doesn't have to be this thick, but, like, I want more. Then I'm just gonna add a bit of water, like extra water. Just try not to spill. Yeah, like I said, try. Try your best. It's not gonna be that easy. I spill a lot, but that's okay, because I fix it afterwards. Yeah. So, we've got the apple chips, and we've got a cup of soup. So, now, who doesn't like more apple? So, I've got applesauce. This is sweetened. I would prefer unsweetened, but let's face it, it's hard to find and it will probably be a lot more expensive. So I'm just gonna pour some. This spoon is not long enough. I can't reach. God damn it, I can't find another spoon. Okay. There we go. Oops. It went places. There we go. So, you just lick the handle. Like, you're gonna get some applesauce on the handle. Now, the water is pretty cold, and the strawberries are pretty thawed out. Oh, damn it, I forgot. I usually just hold over and then flip to pour the water out. But I just remembered that lately I've been saving the water, because if I put it in the fridge and make it go cold, it's actually so tasty. But I forgot. Anyway, I'm just gonna fill this thing with strawberries, and because I have some, and I'm feeling fancy. I'm gonna put whipped cream on my strawberries. Yeah. Almost like dessert. All we need is ice cream, and then this will count as dessert. But then again, just ice cream would also count as dessert, so. Then I have this thing. This is just apple juice. It's just, yeah, it's just this thing with mixed with water, and just because I want it in a cute cup, so yeah. Okay. I'm trying to be careful and not spill on camera, because that would be, it would be funny, but it would also be kind of embarrassing. Oh, I also have coffee. So, there it is. We've got apple chips, apple sauce, strawberries with whipped cream, cup of soup, coffee, and apple juice. Now this is going to be a great snack. So, bye everyone and have a great snack.